Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are doing a brow tutorial. Now this is not going to be how you should do your brows, no, it's just how I personally do mine. And all you need is the E.L.F brow kit, a pair of tweezers, a spoolie, and of course an angled brush. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my brows, then just keep watching. So first thing you want to do is you want to tweeze, of course. You're just going to take out any stray hairs that you may have. Okay, so now once you're all tweezed, what you want to do is take your spoolie and you're going to brush through your brows. I'm going to take that pomade from the E.L.F brow kit and I'm going to follow that line that's underneath the brow. And we're just going to follow it out. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that you look a little bit crazy, what you're going to do is fill in a little bit more in the middle. Okay? Just a little bit up higher than that line that you drew. You're going to take that spoolie and you're going to brush your hairs down. So you just take it and you're going to look extra crazy here for a second. And you just take it and you brush down. Right? Looks nutso. You're going to dip back into that pomade and you're going to connect the two lines. Okay? And then once you've kind of filled in a little bit, you're going to brush your brow back up. See that shape that you want. If you're satisfied with that, you can take that lighter shade if you want. Put in a little bit more color towards the front. And then I like to take the spoolie and just comb through it, so it's not as dark. I want it to have like a natural gradient from the front out to the ends. Now, I like my brows dark. You guys might not like them this dark. This is a little crazy. You can take a different spoolie that doesn't have any product on it. Comb some of that up and away. So when you push them up, if you need to trim, if you're finding that you've got some excess brow hairs right there, brush them up and then just cut right along the top. Okay, now once you're happy with your brow, a lot of people set it with a brow gel. I like to make things difficult on my channel. So what I do is I take a little bit of hairspray, I spritz my spoolie, and I set those bad boys in place. This way you can be sure that they won't move and you'll have a great brow all night. So I'm going to do the other side and wish me the best of luck. Brow tutorials are not the prettiest. I probably should have done this after makeup so I looked okay on camera, but I don't know, tell me, what do you guys think? Do you prefer brows going on before makeup or after makeup? Because I always do mine before because I like touch my face a lot, but I don't know, I could see where doing them after would make more sense because then you get like these nice fluffy brows that don't have any foundation in them, but I just always brush mine out with a spoolie and it's fine. Okay, so now that we've done the tail, we can go back in toward the front. Like I said, I love a nice dark thick brow because for show makeup, I mean, we kind of have to be dark anyway. So I'm gonna set this in place. So once you're happy with the way that they look, you can go ahead and carve them out, which means you're going to be applying concealer around the brow, bring some light to the eyes. Alright guys, so that's it. That's all I got for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this brow tutorial using the E.L.F. eyebrow kit and spoolie, some tweezers, some scissors, all that good stuff. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button down below. And other than that, you guys just have a great day and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you so much for being here. Not so much to the guy that's weed whacking right now, but I don't know what I'm saying. Seriously, what? It's like, bro. I think you ran over something. I know I look like Groucho Marx right now, just hang with me. Cool. Oh my gosh. I wonder how loud it's gonna be. Should I keep going? I don't even know.